Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll guide you through how to remove registered email from Discord in a safe and easy way. So let's jump right in. Step 1. Open the Discord app and look for your user settings. You'll find it near your nickname and avatar. In the bottom left corner, click the gear icon to access it. Step 2. Once you're in user settings, click on My Account in the left-hand menu. Here, you'll see your account details, including your username, registered email, and phone number. Step 3. To make changes, click the Edit button next to your email. This will allow you to either change or remove your current registered email from your Discord account. Step 4. Now click Send Verification Code. Discord will email a code to your current registered email address for security verification. Step 5. Open your email app or browser, check for the code, and enter it back in Discord. Once verified, you'll be able to delete the current email or replace it with a new one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful Discord tutorials.